Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 10, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. First grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 4, 6. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 6. It will come any other cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 8. Column I, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come any other 2 cells. Column J, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. The second grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. 4 and 6 will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 6. Column H, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 6, 7. 8th grade, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 6, 7. Column I, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 7. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 9. Column D, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in any other 2 cells. Column B, already we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th row, we have 3 and 4, 5. The 3 number can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Then only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Remaining numbers we will confirm later. 7th row, 5 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 7, 8 and 9. 6th grade, column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 7, 9. Column B, column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 9. Column I, column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 1. So what can't come in the cell? 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, then column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, then column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 5th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 5th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in with the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first get only 1 number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in with the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.